Birds are out. A couple on the roof. A couple flying. Everybody else is hanging out on the board, which I don't mind. I like they're flying around and then they come back and land right on the board, so that's nice. I've only been out for like 15-20 minutes, so leave them out and hopefully they fly some more. But beautiful day. These birds have been out maybe 5-6 times. So, I'm not pushing them or anything, just letting them get used to being out. If they want to fly, they want to fly. I got plenty of time to get them in shape, so sit out here as long as I can. Keep an eye out for hawks and stuff, but not much we can do. These are my 2021 young birds. There's 16 of them total. Planning on putting a section of lattice or picket fence up along the eave of that roof, so they have to fly out instead of flying straight up to the roof. But it hasn't been too big of an issue being on the second floor. They seem to come into the landing board fine. The landing board's big. I mean, it's like 4 by 8 or something like that, so plenty of space on there. Right now I have the other, oh, sorry about the finger. I have 2 sections there and 2 traps. So that settling cage on the right is the older birds, which I say older, they're just not 2021 banded. They're still young birds to me, but I can't fly them like that, so they're on that side. I figure I'll leave them out, set them. When I get more into training, I'll probably put everybody inside, take both settling cages off so I have the whole board for them to land on when they come in, but they don't seem to mind this. couple birds up there circling. I think they're actually eagles, but I'm not sure. But we'll keep an eye out. All right, I'm gonna turn off the camera. Keep an eye out here.